Puerto Rico. This is World Trade Center IF 1241 2025. So this bird is destroyed basically.
Oh no.
It's not gonna make it. It's no, it's gonna live, but it's not gonna, it's not gonna be able to compete.
Oh shoot.
Look what happened. See
Grabe.
how messed up this bird is right now because of those hawks. So look, he was, he's good because he was able to get away, but he is like, half eaten. Ayan. So see how resilient pigeons are. But man, there are other, evil birds out there. That's, it's really, look,
Oh
see,
gosh.
it's really busted. This bird's not gonna be able to compete.
Fly.
But she's good. At least she keeps coming back. I wish I have a way to to stop it, but it's just I just can't. It's I don't fly. All right, so there you go.
Oh no.